wrote a song for the green grass ever got growing. You flipped to the very last page and you didn't read a single thing. Now it's just a wild picket fence and a pretty white dress. You never seen the end, wasn't worth your while. Shotgun shelf sitting pretty and in. You'll miss that by a country mile. Too many nights you let me on. Skip to the middle and right to the end. Sure fine shaking, but the horse before the car.
For this band.
If our love was a bucket you kicked in,